Hello, lovely people. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Today, we want to teach you the medicinal uses of the date palm fruit. The herb that you are seeing on the screen is what we call the date fruit or the date palm fruit. It is a very common herb. It is very, very sweet. So people substitute it for sugar. If you don't want to take sugar or honey, you can use this. You can get the powder from those people who sell spices and then those people who sell herbal and stuff. You can also get the fruit from those Hausa people who sell tiger nut and those things. It is very, very common and then it is very, very useful. So these are some of the things we are coming to talk about here. We are coming to talk about some of the medicinal uses of the date palm fruit. So let's start with constipation. If you have constipation, you can soak about 5 date fruit in lukewarm water overnight. And then you consume it in the morning for about a week. And that stubborn constipation will just leave you for good. And then also, if you are such that you are facing quick ejaculation, you have taken everything but it is not going, all that you are supposed to do is that you are going to mix 2 spoons of the date palm fruit powder with lukewarm water and then you drink. You are going to drink this every evening before you sleep. So that is how you are going to take it. You can mix it with honey and then you drink everything. So just 1 cup of water and then 2 spoons of the date palm fruit powder and then some 2 spoons of honey. You mix it very well and then you drink it before you go to bed. If you do this, that quick ejaculation will leave your life for good. And then also, if you are such that you are having erectile dysfunction, for you, your own is not quick ejaculation, but your machine is not standing at all. For that one, you are going to get the date fruit, or you can decide to get the powder. Then you also get the pumpkin seed, and then you are going to use 5 almonds, and then you are going to just grind these items together. So you are going to use 5 date palm fruits. If you are using the fruit, you are going to use about 5. And then if you are using the powder, you are going to use about 3 spoons of the powder. And then you are also going to use about the 5 of the pumpkin seeds. And then 5 almonds. So the pumpkin seed, if you think that it is very, very small for you, you can add a handful of it to it. That one, if it is much in it, it will not spoil anything. So you can just use a handful of those seeds. Those seeds, you can just add it to it like that. And then you are going to add 5 almonds to it. So in all, you are going to have 5 dates, 5 almonds, and then a handful of the pumpkin seed. You are going to blend this together, or you are going to grind it together, and then you are going to add 1 spoon of this to warm water or warm milk. If you have warm milk, you can take, or you can take it with warm water. And then you are going to take it in the evenings for a week. So for this one, if you are going to use the milk, that is the best. So please kindly use the warm milk. You just warm some milk and then you are going to mix just a spoon of the powder that you have prepared to eat to mix it very well. Then you drink every evening before you sleep. You can take it for about a week, 2 or 3, or even a month, depending on the severity of your erectile dysfunction. And then you are surely going to bring your testimony. Then if you have anemia, for anemia, what you are going to do is that you are going to add 3 date powder. You are going to add 3 spoons of date powder to warm milk, and then you mix very well. Then you are going to drink it early morning. You are going to drink it early morning before you eat, and then that anemia will just leave you. And then also, if you also like, you can decide to be eating dates, about 4 dates before you sleep every evening, and then you drink warm milk on it. After eating 4 dates, you don't drink warm milk on it before you sleep, and then it is going to help the anemia. And then also, if you are such that you have cold, you are going to boil 4 date fruit in a glass of warm milk, then you drink once in a day. So you can just you can decide to chew the dates, then you drink the milk on it. That one will be easier. Then it will treat the cold easily. And then also, if you want to boost your immune system, you are going to add 2 teaspoons of the date powder. You are going to add it to 6 spoons of honey. You are going to also add black seed oil to it. And then you are going to mix everything in a cup of warm water. Then you drink. So all that you are going to do is that you get date powder, you are going to get pure honey, and then you are also going to get black seed oil. And then you are just going to take some spoons of it. So 2 spoons of the date powder, 6 spoons of the pure honey, and then 6 teaspoons of the black seed oil. You mix it with the warm water and then you drink. And then if you don't also want it that way, you can eat date fruit first thing in the morning with 2 teaspoons of black seed oil. First thing in the morning and then last thing at night. You can do it that way. So these are some of the health benefits of the date fruit. And then also, if you want retentive memory, you can be taking this. It is going to help you. There are a lot of things we can say about it, but let's reserve that one for other videos so that the videos will not be too long. In the next videos, we shall talk about more things about the date fruit. So please kindly subscribe to the channel for more remedies. Thank you very much. Bye.
Please kindly remember to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and then the notification button. Thank you very much.